Hey guys, this is how I perform my COVID-19 home test. Yours may be different. Do not use mine as an example. Consult your own manual or physician. COVID-19 test. This is the antigen test. Okay. And again, this is me, Bonnie Hawkins from Bonnie B. Hawkins Creative TV, guys. Yes, guys. So come on and go with me as I take my home COVID test. All right. The instructions that are here on the paper that came with the COVID with this kit. All right. So, all right, we're gonna get started right now. Okay, guys, it's me, Bonnie, and today I'm about to take my this is called the Care Start COVID-19 Antigen Home Test. So I'm getting ready to take that. Then I'm about to take this COVID-19 home test. All right, right. Okay, so you get your water as warm as you can stand it, and you wash your hands. And once you wash your hands really good, get it good and soapy first. See, as a COVID test. All right, I'll be back at y'all. Well, okay, guys, so here we are. We're going to get ready and take this test, this COVID test. Okay, I've already taken the everything out of the package already. It came with a set of two of each of these things, and this right here is this. Okay. Okay. So this is what this is. And this, of course, they call this the vial, sample vial. Okay. And also came with this is the cotton swab. They say be sure to open it from this end right here, away from this part. Do not touch this part. Okay. And it also came with the sample vial. Now this vial has the fluid already in it. They're saying that sometimes you can get them and the fluid is not in them, and then you would just put the fluid in, but this came sealed with the fluid in it. Okay. And it'll be sets here. Okay, so we're gonna get started, guys. All right, now I may have to do a voiceover on some of this, okay? So I'll probably talk out through it and then take the voice out and do a voiceover because I have to concentrate on what I'm doing here. Okay, so the instruction tells us to, first of all, to wash our hands thoroughly, which is what I did. I washed my hands thoroughly, and now I'm about to go ahead and assemble this kit. It says unpack from the test kit, which is what I already did. It says remove the cassette. That's this. And then place it on a clean surface. And then you remove the vial and place it into the tray and keep it straight up. And that's what I got right here. This is the vial. Placed it there in this little tray here that comes with the kit. And then it says remove the nasal swab, which is this. Okay. Using it from this side and just pull that loose and then take the swab out. Now you're going to insert this into the nostrils, and the right nostril or the left nostril first, whichever one you decide to do. But then you got to rotate it 5 times and hold it in up to what it says for 15 seconds on each nostril. Okay, so we're going to do that now. And once we do that, we're going to place it into this, open this up and place it into this little contraction thing right here. And then once we do that, we're going to leave it, we're going to rotate it in this thing 5 times. And then we're going to squeeze the vial and slowly pull this out, the swab out once you've got your sample. Got to be very careful not to touch anything when you're doing this, okay? Got to keep somewhat of a sterile environment. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and put the camera back up here. And actually, I don't need to do that. I'll be right back, guys. Hang in there. Well, okay, guys, so this vial here, you will take the little, it's got a little aluminum foil like cap on it. You want to take this off and be careful not to squeeze. Be careful not to squeeze the vial itself, and this is the vial. Do not squeeze this vial. Just simply pull it off like that. Okay, and now you have this in here, and you're going to set that right in here, the tray. They say have it already sitting down on the table, but I got it up in my hand because I want to show you guys without myself moving the thing again. Now you're going to leave this in there and set it there on the table. Okay. And then while that's happening, you're going to simply open the swab here. And you're going to be careful how you take it out. Make sure that you don't touch this little part here. Okay, and now what you're going to do, you're going to insert this into each one nostril at a time. You're going to swirl it around in the nostril do that now. So I'm going to start in this nostril. It says put it in 3/4 of an, so right about there. Now, guys, you're going to, and see, you can see the groove right there where the tip is, kind of. So it's up to about there. And then you're just going to swirl it around, getting for 5 times, getting the stuff out. And then you're just going to let it kind of be in there for about 15 seconds. Yes, guys, so it's going to be in here, each nostril, for 15 seconds. We do 15 seconds on the right nostril and then 15 seconds on the left nostril. I fast forward this so you won't have to watch me through the whole process up in my nostrils. All right, so we're back to show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so pause, you guys. Okay, so now we're going to insert it directly into this little thing here, this vial. Okay, then you're going to pick it up, the vial, and you're going to, you can see the vial there with the swab in. You're going to rotate it in there for about 5 times. Be sure to kind of rub the edges. Rotate it for 5 times, at least 5 times. And then what you're going to do then is you're going to squeeze. As you take this out, you're going to squeeze the vial here. A very gentle squeeze, and be sure not to squeeze too hard, not to pull the tip of the swab off. Extract all of the, as much of this, what you come out of here as possible. Okay, as you can see there. Okay, once you've taken it out, you discard this because you no longer be using it. And then next thing you're going to do And you can see it's murky right now because it's got the residue from what was in my nostrils out. And then you're going to take this little cap that comes with it. Here's the cap. Okay. Then you're going to place this cap on, push down, and then you'll hear a snap. You push this down until you hear a snap. Now you heard the snap, right? And so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and kind of shake it a little bit. Not really shaking, but just that. Then it says tap it, do some like this a few times. Okay. Okay, and so now you've got that done. The next thing you're going to do is move this out of your way. Oh, I was looking for this. Okay, so this is a little tray. Now this one has the, you can see on, I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see this, but there's a negative side and a positive side. The T, which is here, represents, let me turn it this way, maybe you can see the numbers better. Okay guys, so you see this has like if this turns, if you have a part of it red and C, and you have a little faint blue in the so positive, the T, then you are positive. So make sure you keep that in consideration when you are using this kit. The C area is negative for COVID. Okay, and then this little area right here, as you can see here, is where I'm going to put 3 drops in. Then I'm going to leave that in for a total of 10 minutes. Okay, guys, so now we're going to take this little thing off of here, right? Okay, and then we're going to make sure it's shook well, and it is. And then all we're going to do, I believe, is just turn it over and squeeze it and allow 3 drops, allow 3 drops to go into this little area right here without touching the surface, if at all possible. Okay, so let's try to get the 3 drops in. Try to bring a little bit more. Okay, so we're going to count. We have 3 drops in here. 1, 2, 3. So now we've got the 3 drops in here. Now we got to time this for 10 minutes. And then once the 10 minutes is up, then you read your results. You leave it setting flat. I'm going to hold it up like that so you guys can see it as it's working. So in 10 minutes, it'll tell you whether you're negative or positive. And as you can see here, I'm negative for COVID. And here are the instructions in English. You can snapshot it if you like. And here are the instructions in another language. You can snapshot it if you like. Okay, thank you for tuning into my channel, guys. This is the way I did the COVID. This is not the way you may have to do yours, because you have different instructions with different types of COVID boxes. If your home test is positive, you may want to follow it up with your doctor or physician.